Hello friends, welcome back to IBS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price change occur in a Cardano in the last 1 hour, in the last 2 hour. What's the high price of Cardano? I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and update. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction of Cardano in the previous 2 hour. Oh my goodness, that's absolutely good result. As you can see here now, currently they are jumping upward like a rocket. They goes to moon. So if you want to make money, it's a big opportunity for you to invest in a Cardano and make a good amount of profit. So that is a live price prediction, and now you can see here the changes is about negative 0.01%. Why they are negative? Because they are false in the previous hours. As you can see here, they are false in the previous hour. That is why they are negative. Soon they are in positive, because at this time they are taking a jump. That is why they are in the negative, as you can see here. And the high price of Cardano is about 1.18 is dollar is the high price of Cardano in the previous last 2 hour. That is a live price prediction of Cardano of the last 2 hour you're watching now. Now let's see the last 1 hour result of Cardano. What's the price change occur in the Cardano in the last 1 hour? Absolutely good news, absolutely good news for all Cardano holders. They are take a high jump and take a good jump. As you can see here, they are goes like a rocket. Oh my goodness, absolutely good news for all Cardano holders. If you are a Cardano holder, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos, for more this kind of good news videos. You can see here the changes is about positive 0.91% change occur in a Cardano in the previous last 1 hour. And the high price of Cardano is about dollar 1.18 dollar is the high price of Cardano, which is current price of Cardano. So that is a live price prediction. Please don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about Cardano cryptocurrency.